Hey everyone, this is just a continuation of my first part of the video. As I was saying, at 66 volts I get about a 6 volt drop on a 5 parallel 20 series A123 pack. So I'm looking to run 80 volts, hopefully get maybe, I'm just thinking reasonable at 75 amps, maybe a 10 volt drop in voltage. So 70 volts under load, full load under to the back wheel. So give me a little bit more speed, which is what I'm looking for. Now just currently I just had this controller hooked up at 91 volts and change for about less than 5 minutes or so. I'm just going to check the voltages of some of the load capacitors. There's one here. I think this is a 50 volt, that's a 16 or 25 volt. I can't remember what that one is. That one, and these little 50 ones here. There's 3 little 50 volt 47 UF capacitors. Just curious to see what happens with the capacitor voltages under a higher voltage. Keep in mind that this version of this controller is only 48 volts and I'm currently pumping about 91 volts through it, which is awesome. So this is very dangerous, very dangerous. Don't encourage you to try this at home. This is why I'm doing it. So, and if something happens, obviously you'll have this video to laugh at me afterwards, but here we go. Okay, so gonna check the little 50 volt capacitor first. .8 volts. 13.8 volts for the little 50 volt capacitors, the 47 UF I was talking about. Really good. So that means those little capacitors near the MOSFETs have nothing to do with don't do anything in regards to increasing voltage when you're increasing the battery voltage on the pack. So that's a good thing. Less capacitors to change, less problems to worry about. So next one here. So this one's near the voltage regulator on the farthest outside of the board, like in the bottom. Okay, here we go. So very cautiously going to do this. 50.1 volts. Pretty good. I'm not complaining with that. That's right in range where it was when I was running 66 volts. So I don't understand how the circuitry works, but I know that the resistors near the voltage regulators have something to do with regulating the voltage that goes into the controller. Maybe Fetcher or someone out there will explain it better to me, but here we go. Here's another one. 14.9 volts. Exactly the same what I measured before. This one here should be a 5 volt rail. 5 volt rail. Honestly, I've ordered 4110